Hi everyone. Now let's talk about important data structure, that is tuple. So we have seen list data structure, and list data structure can have different functionalities. Same like list, we have tuple data structure also, but here only the difference is tuple is immutable. So tuple can accept heterogeneous, homogeneous values, as well as it will accept duplicate elements and indexing and slicing. And tuple is immutable, but list is mutable. And tuple is default data structure in Python. So important one. And then tuple can store elements within the parentheses with comma separated values. Okay. So now let's see here. So now what we need to understand here, same like list tuple can work out. So now let's see a equal to, then it can store in parentheses like 1, 2, 3. So if you observe print of a, then you can understand like print of, first of all you can just execute. So then you can get the values like this. So this is storage of tuple. Now we need to confirm whether it is a tuple data structure or some other data structure. Then what we need to do? Then print of type of A. So when we execute now, then we can get tuple data structure. So we can confirm that this is a tuple data structure. Now how we can say tuple is accepting homogeneous values, like for I in A, then similar way, then print of I, then you can give like this, then understand the type of I here. Okay, when we execute now, whatever the values we are storing in tuple, then integer, all are integer. That means homogeneous means same kind of data types we can store, as well as we can able to store values in different types. That means heterogeneous data types also. Then you can say like this. So now we can write it like this also. Then there is a float value. So try to execute here. Then this is also tuple. Then try to execute this loop here to confirm whether the data types. See now, first one is integer, string, bool, complex, and float. So tuple can also accept heterogeneous values. Now, so here tuple can accept duplicate or not. Let's see. Now a equal to 1, 2, 3. Then again 1, 2, 3. So that means if we get count 3, then it is not accepting. If we get count 6, then we can get, see, length of a here. So then execute. So now the count is 6. That means it is counting duplicate elements also. So that means tuple can accept duplicate elements as well. So now tuple can accept indexing and slicing. Now let's see. First you can understand, you can take same concept here. Okay, now try to display the data like, so print off. So I want like index number 0. So then index number 0, the value will be 1. When you say like this, index number for 1, then it will be a. So that means positive index starts from 0, and then same thing you can work out like -1. So what is the value? 10.30. So that means negative values will start from -1 from right side to left side. So that's why it is giving 10.3. Now if you give out of number, if you give like 10, that means index error. Index error, that means tuple index out of range. Previously it was list index out of range. That means we are working on list. Now we are working on tuple. That's why it is tuple index out of range. Now same thing you can observe minus values also, -9 like that. That means if index number is not assigned based on these values, then it will throw an error like tuple index out of range. Now understand here very carefully. What we need to understand means, just understand here. So I'm just taking values. So what is the data type now? So that will be tuple. Okay. When we give like this, that means, so like this, if you observe, then it will be list. But in another case, I don't have any symbol here. Okay, just I'm writing like this. So now I'm not assigning any square bracket or parenthesis or any other, but I'm just giving like this, but it is giving tuple. So that means tuple is a default data structure in Python. Now tuple is mutable or immutable. Now we can say, when we say tuple, same values you can take it, not a problem. Now try to append value. Okay, whatever, append or delete, whatever you can do. So that means if you are trying to add element 4, then you are getting error like attribute error. Tuple object has no attribute append. That means when it is a mutable object, no other manipulation functions will not accept. That means either deletion, insert, update, append. So no attribute will be applicable for this tuple data structure because it is a immutable object. Immutable means which we cannot modify. Okay, immutable means which we cannot modify. So that means tuple is mutable. Tuple is immutable object. List is mutable object. Okay, so this is all about tuple data structure. So just practice one by one very carefully, then by using some other examples as well. Okay, so thank you so much. We'll see another data structure in the next class.